Mina nginikezwe i-command ne-directive yokuthi ngishare engingakwazi ukukushare in regards to what I am sharing. Mina, I'm also learning to the things I'm sharing with you. I'm not the master, I'm still on the learning curve. Angazi konke. Nami I'm still learning. And nami ngumuntu, kumele ukuthi ukwazi lokho. Because what is happening, ungaba kuba naive and silly ukuthi ithi i-television yona inesithombe ekwazi ukusiproducer kuyona ngaphakathi sidlalo, kuba naive lokho ngoba i-television ayikho into eyidlalayo kuyona, yona iyini amplitude modulator, AM ne amplitude modulator ayisuki kuyona leyo nto uma soyiqaqe ngakho sithombe silapha phakathi, yabo. So ke lezi zinto engiyikhulumayo mina la akuzona izinto ezisuka kimi lezo, yabo. So nami I'm just like you nje, it just that it happened ukuthi I'm the one o decoder lezo zinto bese eyasidlulisa, yabo. Lokho futhi kodwa akusho ukuthi I'm not liable for what I am saying. I'm liable because I am the medium through which that message is being cascaded. So I cannot say I'm not liable for that because angikwazi ukuqhamuka somewhere else ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngizana noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Uma ngabe kuukuthi umuntu owenza kahle, umuntu onikeziwe into ezithile, kuhloniphe lokho, akuzona ezakho lezo zinto. Kuhloniphe lokho. Yabona yonke into mfowethu akudingi ukuthi kuzokuba ukuthi mhlambe uvelele unama followers amaningi. Into eziningi that are going right to the extent yokuthi you even upload yourself ukuthi ngacabanga ngokwenza lento. Leyo nto leyo ayisuki kuwena. You should always be grateful to your higher power. Ngokuthi ungayi-betray, ngoba khona abantu abacabanga ukuthi lento ingabo sebeyikhomba kubona. Lento i-cascaded through you, ayikho ngawe kodwa. At the same time wena uyi-manager yayo, i-advantage ukuthi uwe onikezwe lento. Lento ifana nokuthi I'm going to give you something, ngithi mina wena uyili-councilor, wena umanager izinto zalo mphakathi, wena oyi-manager la, yabo. Wena o-accounting officer la. Into yenzeka lawo lapho because wena uzoba ne-advantage vele wena. For the mere fact ukuthi wena in charge uzoba ne-advantage vele, yabo. So that